Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make YouTube Shorts on an iPad with sound, like with all the viral sounds, all the music. If you try to make a YouTube Short, it usually doesn't allow you to have any sounds like the viral music sounds. But I'll be showing you how to include that. So let's go ahead and go straight to it. So first thing you'd want to do is, well, you want to head out to YouTube, and you actually want to go to the App Store, and here you want to search up YouTube Create, and you want to go ahead and install YouTube Create and open it. And now that you're here, you can make all these, whatever these things are. You can just click that blank clip. You should record yourself and then, blank clip thingy here, and then, there's just nothing, but there's a sound thing here. You can add these sounds over here. See, it works. Do you really think that I could? Yeah. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, it works. So just go ahead and export that, and then upload a YouTube short, and then you can do blah blah blah, and then upload the short. I won't be doing that. But anyways, that's how you do it on iPad. It works. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and for more, and goodbye.